Hey there, it's great to be here with all of you today. As a professional YouTuber with over 7 years of experience and over 3.7 million subscribers, I've learned a lot about making money online. One of the most lucrative ways to do so is by selling digital products. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to make money selling digital products online. So if you're looking for a way to make passive income and achieve financial freedom, this lesson is for you. First, let's talk about what digital products are. Digital products are products that can be downloaded or accessed online, such as eBooks, courses, templates, software, and audio or video files. These products have several advantages over physical products. They are easy to create, require no inventory, and can be sold to an unlimited number of customers. So how do you get started selling digital products online? The first step is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What knowledge or skills do you have that others might find valuable? Once you've identified your niche, research what products are already on the market and think about how you can differentiate yourself. Next, you need to create your digital product. This might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. If you're creating an ebook, for example, you can use free tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word to write and format your content. If you're creating a course, you can use platforms like Teachable or Thinkific to host your content and manage your students. Once you've created your digital product, it's time to set up your sales funnel. This involves creating a landing page or sales page that showcases your product and encourages visitors to make a purchase. You can use tools like ClickFunnels or Leadpages to create high-converting sales pages, or you can hire a web designer to create a custom page for you. In addition to your sales page, you'll also need a way to collect payments and deliver your digital product to your customers. Platforms like Gumroad, Sendall, or PayPal make it easy to sell and deliver digital products. Make sure to test your payment and delivery systems to ensure everything is working smoothly. Once your sales funnel is set up, it's time to start driving traffic to your sales page. You can use a variety of methods to do this, such as social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, or paid advertising. The key is to identify where your target audience hangs out online and focus your efforts there. Finally, it's important to continually optimize your sales funnel for maximum conversions. This means testing different elements of your sales page, such as your headline, copy, images, and call to action. Use tools like Google Analytics or Hotjar to track your visitors' behavior and make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, selling digital products online is a great way to make passive income and achieve financial freedom. It requires some upfront work to create your product and set up your sales funnel, but once you've done that, you can sit back and watch the sales roll in. Remember, success is not guaranteed overnight, but with dedication, hard work, and persistence, you can achieve your goals. I hope this video has been helpful and informative to you. Please subscribe, like, and follow this channel on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Kindly share this video with your close friends. Thank you for watching and God bless your hustles every single day.